What's good? It's Keita Billions. And I'm gonna coach my mom on how to be a content creator. Today I'm gonna give her the ins and outs on how to just basically put herself out there and grow her TikTok so that she can become monetized to promote other people's products on TikTok and get paid. And then today is the day that my oldest daughter finally gets to reunite with us, and all of us will be under one roof again. You could just pull it out the bag. So it can see you clear.
Speak with, but
You want to
so just take it on the bag.
pull it back a little bit. Right. Level. So what you are seeing is just her showing the product, and when she's done filming herself showing the product and how the product worked, this video is going to be edited, and when she edits it, she's going to do a voiceover, and I'll show you how I coach her through that in the next clip. Being a content creator takes time, a lot of effort, and it's not always easy. I try to put a lot of thought into what I'm sharing, and I try to make sure that my content is helpful. With practice and time, it'll come like second nature. You just have to be confident and don't overthink the process. Just do it. One thing that I like to do is look back on my previous video and just see what I could have done better. Her goal for wanting to do this is to just create revenue without having to leave the house. If you struggle with editing your content or creating your thumbnails for your videos, tap the link in my description section and book a consultation. Hit edit. Hit where it says edit the scissors.
Edit what?
Tap to the bottom left, the scissors. Okay, now hit new project. You ain't got no pictures I don't need to see, do you? Because I don't want to see it. Let me know so I can close my eyes. Okay, find the video. I think it's that first one. No, go back. Wait. It's the first one. Yeah, that one. That was the first one, right?
Try this one.
Yeah, it might be that one. From where you started opening the bag. Okay, that's it. So now hit add. Now what you want to do is tap on that video. The first thing we're going to do is mute it. So tap on it.
I'm tapping on it. What move?
You tapping on the wrong space. Where it says add audio, tap above that in where you are.
Says what?
Down.
What is down? Where?
Where it says add audio.
Okay.
Okay. Well, no, you hit the wrong thing. You don't do that. Jesus, I want to touch it. Oh God, what did I do? Okay. Wait, this is tough. Okay, do you see the clip? I want you to tap that clip. That's very important.
The clip.
Okay, boom. Anytime it turns white, that means that you are working on that particular clip. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So now you already muted it. So when to do the voiceover, all you would do is hit add audio. It's right below the clip.
Right below the clip.
Yes.
Okay.
No. Okay, slide. Move the slide. You see where it says sound? You can slide it. Don't tap sound. I need you to just slide it.
Slide this?
No, the one to the bottom where it says sound. Slide it to the left.
Oh shit.
Hit the X.
Don't touch.
Got it. Okay, just slide it to the left. Or swipe it. Swipe it to the left. Yeah. Keep swiping. Swiper, no swiper. Okay, boom. Record. You see record?
Mm-hmm.
You want to tap record.
But I am noise right now.
I'm just showing you how to do it.
Okay.
And then you hit the blue button and then you say, hey, this is Kiva. I'm your favorite TikToker.
Whatever.
And that's really it. Now to add the next clip, you're gonna go. Okay, hit the check button to get out of there. And now the video clip, you want to tap that and drag it to the left. Just drag it all the way to the left. Yeah, go all the way, all the way. That white line got to be all the way to the end of that clip in order for you to add the next clip.
Okay. I'm gonna say. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be doing some nice, lovely unboxing. To box inside of a box. So mom purchased this from the wish list with the Cash App money that she had received from somebody else. It's heavy. Okay.
Is that toy?
Box. Take it out the box. Oh my god, it's black.
Yeah, I have to put it together, and I'll put a picture of what it looks like on the screen. You're supposed to go there, yeah.
On to the next one. See Piper in here. This note says, Jesus loves you. Congratulations on your new home. From Moriniki. I don't know how to pronounce the name.
Let me see.
What is it?
Who wants in there?
I think it's a thing for your plants.
Yeah.
See this? Very nice. Another box with duct tape on it. Wow.
You don't have to take it out. You can just show it.
I totally knew that. The very last, lovely package that we have here, guys. Put all your strength into it because the tape is very strong. It says, enjoy your gift from speaking from Purple Couch from Celia. Hi Celia, girl. It's a broom set. Oh girl, we getting real fancy up for her.
Oh, get clean over here.
What's this? Might be a humidifier. Looks like it is. It is, girl. Look. So you could breathe that night.
This one's in there.
These is the things for put the stuff
Shoes in.
Yeah.
Oh, yay.
Thank you, Celia, girl.
So, this is the first time I am washing this car, cleaning this car out since basically living in it. Yeah. I had to get some of these because, boy, the kids had to. Hold on, wait. This is what it looked like. Hey, this right here does wonders.
It's green, girl.
It smells so good. The scent that the smell that I got, I don't know what it is, but it smells good. It's like lavender. No, vanilla. They had this car smelling like straight donkey booty, all kinds of hot piss, everything. And today is also the first day of me taking all of the kids to school. Look at us. Say hey, girl, hey.
Leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me.
Starting over isn't as simple as packing a bag and walking into a new life. It's lonely, scary, and filled with moments that no one warns you about. Like this. I gotta get everything up out of here. But I just try to keep things as positive as possible. In my mind, everything is already worked out. Everything is already working out, and everything is already working out. So, over the next few days, I'm gonna try to empty out this storage. This is a king size mattress. I don't have space for that, so it's gonna have to stay here. And whatever consequences come with that, I'll have to deal with that when it comes. But let me show you what it's looking like. So I pulled out everything. Well, not everything, but I pulled out some things so that I can kind of like go through what I want and what I don't want. And then this is the king size mattress. This is like a little fireplace. I don't have space for that. I'm just going through the boxes to kind of like, see what I want, see what's important, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff. I done split my finger trying to get through all of this. Oh my God. Hi.
Something I wanted to say to you, but I can't think of what it was now. Then when you come back to me, I just not going to do, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I have to leave the house earlier. Before I leave, I want to unbox a couple of items that I received today from my Amazon housewarming wish list. Trash bags. Oh, for when I get my trash can for the bathroom. Congratulations on your new place. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Enjoy your gift. From, I don't want to screw this up, Skronda Martin. I hope I said that right. Thank you so much for the gift. I truly appreciate it. Looky, 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 looky. We have some gold pillowcases. Ooh, so when I get that couch, we can put our gold pillows on the couch. And then we have a letter. Shout out to Aston Chanel. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it. Let me see what else we got. Oh, we got some drying towel. I think this is like a drying towel set. Yeah. Thank you so much. We really need these. Oh my God. First of all, let's see who it's from. This gift is from Aston Chanel. This is for my toddler. I told my toddler, oh yay, somebody got you a gift, and I showed it to him. And that same exact day, I kid you not, 60 seconds later, Mommy, did my gift come yet? The entire day, okay? Up until today, he's been asking. So when he get here, he's gonna be really excited about this, okay? Wow. Next, enjoy your gift from Bianca. Ooh. Oh my. Wait. Bianca. Girl. Thank you. Thank you so much, Bianca. This is a gold picture frame set. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. My 4 kids. And then one for me. I'm going to put a photo of each one of my kids in here. And then I just recently found an old photo of me, like when I was, what, maybe 21. My God, I'm going to put that in here. I am so grateful for our new home. This is how everything is looking right now. My daughter's stuff coming from her dad's house. And this is pretty much most of the things that was in storage. So I have a lot of unpacking and organizing to do. So it's gonna be a little challenge.